Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It is your girl Chanelle Novosey. Before I get started in all this fabulousness, I just want to say thank you guys so much for your kind words and your beautiful messages in my last video, which I had a huge announcement of having my own series on my YouTube channel. It's going to be recording here in Atlanta, and if you are a bride-to-be and you are watching this video and you live in Georgia, I would love to have you on this series. All the information and more details will be in that video and down below, so be sure to check out the description box. So in today's DIY, I'll be showing you guys how to make these beautiful table numbers using all Dollar Tree products for the most part. It's going to be really easy and it's going to help your event out most of all. I hope that you enjoy it. Here's what you'll need in order to create today's DIY. And here are the steps in order to make this DIY. So first, you'll be needing these really beautiful mirrored frames. So I'm going to take these LED emergency lights and I'm going to glue them down to these candlestick holders. So you can put AAA batteries into these emergency lights. I did get some from the Dollar Tree and the batteries don't work, unfortunately, and so it's not giving the full effect of what I'm going for, which is okay. You know, but what I thought was this would be perfect to create if you have an event at night, and then the light behind it will illuminate and you can see the table numbers. So you can try Duracell battery or some other brand. Maybe that's a little bit more stronger and it may last longer. So I'll show you what to do next. I'm going to flip these over and I'm going to remove the flap here, the stand, so that it won't show in the back and so that we can adhere the candle next to it. So next I'll take some E6000 and I'm going to add it to the bottom of the candlestick holder. Now I am going to go back around it. I'm going to go back around it with some hot glue, but I thought E6000 would be perfect to make it permanent and to stay in place. So then you're going to take your candlesticks and you're going to place them inside of your candle holders. So then you're going to take your hot glue gun and you're going to go around the top of your candle holder. Now instead of using the Dollar Tree hot glue sticks, I actually been using these Gorilla hot glue sticks, and I got these from Michaels. I would suggest these. They work a lot better and the bonding is a lot stronger than the Dollar Tree hot glue sticks. So next you're going to take a Sharpie and you're going to trace the inside of the frame. So next just remove the back of the picture frame. So next I'm going to take my picture frames as well as my candlesticks and I'm going to give them a coat of spray paint using this brass metallic spray paint by Krylon, and then I'll show you how to add rhinestones onto your mirrors. So next I'm going to take some bling wrap that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it does have adhesive on the back of it, and I'm going to place it around my mirrors. So here's what they look like up close after I went ahead and I added my rhinestones. I'm going to go ahead and grab my candlestick holders. Alright, so next I'll show you how to assemble everything. You're going to go ahead and you're going to take your mirror and you're going to place the back of the frame back on here. And then you're going to take your picture frame that we got from off of the porch so they're nice and dry. And I'm going to place everything back together inside of the frame. And then flip it over and you're going to secure it in place. So here's what it will look like once you went ahead and you assembled it. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to this one here. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your picture frame and we're going to adhere it to your candlestick. Now I'm going to be using this Gorilla hot glue stick again because it adheres a lot better. But you can also use E6000, which may give you more of a permanent and a more stable situation, okay? So I'm going to add it to the back of my candle, and then I'm going to add the picture frame right on top. Alright, and you don't have to go all the way up, just like 3/4 up. And then you'll take your picture frame and you'll add it to your candlestick. and try and center it as best as possible. And if you need to, take your hot glue gun and you can go back around it. So then you'll do the same thing for your last candlestick holder. You'll just add hot glue and place the picture frame right on top of there. So lastly, I'm going to take these beautiful gold flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were 99 cents each and they have little gold leaves attached to them as well. And I'm going to hot glue them down to the corner of my picture frame. So lastly, you'll be adding your number to your mirrors. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were $7.99 each. But the Dollar Tree does have letters as well, and they have numbers with them. Now it may be a little small, but at least they do have the option. And I chose to use black because it would pop out a lot more. But you know, it is fairly small, but it may work. So here's the Dollar Tree one. So not horribly small, but still it's kind of small. And the other one isn't like significantly bigger, but I just thought that it would pop out a little bit better. So I'm gonna put this back in here and show you what the one from Hobby Lobby looks like. So here are the numbers from the package from Hobby Lobby. They're a little bit bigger and a little bit more bolder, so I thought that those would stick out a lot more. I'm going to take the number 2 and place it on top of the mirror and try and center it as best as possible. So that completes today's DIY. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. This was so much fun to make. I think that these will go great for a wedding reception. Also, you can use these for birthday parties or anniversaries, but also I think that these would be perfect for a dessert table, a guest dining table, and you can just take off the numbers and use a white Sharpie and just write the name of whatever that item is on that table. I think that will look just as beautiful, so you can change the color scheme, whatever have you, but I think that these are gorgeous and very easy to make, and most of all, you can get these items at the Dollar Tree. My hope is to show you guys how to set a whole table using everything that I've been using in my latest DIYs. That's why the color scheme is staying the same, okay? So I'll show you guys how to set a table once I finish making most of the decor. So comment below, let me know if you would like to see that. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. If you're a new subscriber, help me get to 100,000 before May 26th. I have a huge event I have planned for you guys, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all really soon in next week's DIY. It will be on Saturday. I hope you're having a blessed 2019. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.